Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 4. It is important for B Pharm 4th semester student. What is thiopane? Thiopane is a heterocyclic organic compound consisting of a 5-membered aromatic ring with 4 carbon atoms and 1 sulfur. Thiopane, also commonly called thiofuran, is a heterocyclic compound with the formula C4H4S, consisting of a flat 5-membered ring. It is aromatic as indicated by its extensive substitution reaction. It occurs with benzene in coal tar, from which source it was first isolated in 1883. Thiopane is prepared commercially from butane and sulfur or sulfur dioxide. Certain thiopane derivatives occur as plant pigments and the natural products. An important derivatives of thiopane is biotin. Structure of thiopane. All ring atoms is thiopane are sp2 hybridized, 4 carbon and 1 sulfur. sp2 hybrid overlap with each other and 4 hydrogen atoms and forming sigma bond in one plane. Third sp2 orbital on sulfur is completely filled, which lies in the plane of ring and accounts for the one of the sulfur lone pair. Each ring atom in thiopane has an unhybridized p orbital which are perpendicular to plane of sigma bond. The p orbitals on sulfur contain 2 electrons and 1 carbon contains of electron. Literal overlap of p orbitals produce molecular orbital contains 6 electrons. Some different representation model of pyrrole. First, excipient structure of furan with aromaticity indicate by dashed bonds. Second, numbered skeletal structure of furan. Third, ball and stick model of furan molecule. Thiopane molecule. Space filling model of thiopane molecules. Preparation and synthesis of thiopane. Hinsberg synthesis. Condensation between a 1,2 dicarbonyl compound and diethyl thiodiacetate in presence of strong base give thiopane 2,5-diacids. Paulnor synthesis. The condensation of 1,4 dicarbonyl compounds with sulfur sources given thiopenes from sodium succinate. Heating a mixture of sodium succinate and phosphorus trisulfide. Physical properties of thiopane. At room temperature, thiopane is a colorless liquid with a mildly pleasant odor of benzene. Its boiling point is 84 degrees Celsius and melting point is minus 38 degree Celsius. It is insoluble in water but freely soluble in ethanol, ether and acetone. The high reactivity of thiopane toward sulfonation is the basis for the separation of thiopane from benzene. Thiopene is much more reactive than benzene. Thus, thiopene undergoes the electrophilic substitution reaction like benzene under moderate condition. Chemical properties of thiopene. Thiopene have 4 carbon and 1 sulfur. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar thiopene ring structure. Each ring atom also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the plane of sigma bond. Their p orbitals are parallelly to each other, so overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6, 4 of 4 carbon, 2 from 1 sulfur. The resonance of 6 electron follows the Huckel rules, so the thiopene is aromatic. Furan is less aromatic than thiopene is more aromatic. The order depends on order of electronegativity of heteroatom. Electrophilic substitution. Thiopene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at second position. 2 reasons: carbon to attack gives more resonance contributing structures than carbon 3. Extra stable contributing structure generates open carbon to attack. Very strongly acidic condition lead to acid catalyzed polymerization. The action of hot phosphoric acid on thiopene leads to a tremor. Reduction. When thiopene is reduced in presence of catalyzed sodium, amalgam and ethanol, then it leads to the formation of tetrahydrothiophane. Uses of thiopene. Thiopene and its derivatives have a very important position in the pharmaceutical industry, dye industry, pesticide industry, resin industry and chemical industry. The benzene ring of a biologically active compound replaced by a thiopene without loss of activity. Example are NSAID. The thiopene along of pyroxene. Production of various kinds of dyes, perfumes, thermal shock resistance plastic, highly active solvent, stimulating hormone, insecticides, cosmetic and bioactivating substance and vitamins, anesthetics and antibiotics and brightening agents. It can also be used as the raw material of preparing a broad spectrum antihemolytic as well as antibacterial drug. Thiopenes are important heterocyclic compounds that are widely used as building blocks in many agrochemicals and pharmaceuticals. The benzene ring of a biologically active compound may often be replaced by a thiopene without loss of activity. This is seen in example such as the NSAID. Thank you.